I'm Jessica.
And I'm Elizabeth, and today we're going to be teaching you how to solve trigonometric expressions with factoring.
These factoring methods include GCF, difference of squares, sum or difference of cubes, and swing and divide.
We're also going to be teaching you the two most common mistakes and how to avoid them.
We're also going to teach you a nifty little acronym to the sound of music. So what I'm going to start you off with is showing how to factor a regular algebraic expression. Then I'm going to add the sine or cosine or tangent in later. So the algebraic expression I'm showing you today is x squared minus x. As you can see here, you can solve this equation by GCF. And the GCF of x squared minus x is x. So you take out the x out of the equation, which leaves you with x minus 1. And that is your answer right there. The metric expression will be written is sine squared x minus sine x. That is how it will be written. One common mistake that students will make is separating the sine and the x, and that is wrong. You want to keep the sine and the x together. They can't be separated by any means. So when I factor this, I'm going to factor the sine x out of both terms. So that would be sine x minus 1. And that is your equation.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use swing and divide to factor a trigonometric equation. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to multiply the first number and the last number. So you start with sine squared x minus 1 sine x, and then you multiply the 12 and 6 to get minus 72. And then you are going to factor this. So this will be sine x minus 9, and this is sine x plus 8. And now you are going to divide by 12, which is your leading coefficient, and a lot of people forget to do this, so this is one of the most common mistakes, so don't forget it or else you're going to get points off. But divide 9 times 12, or 9 divided by 12, and 8 divided by 12. So that gives you sine x minus 3 over 4. And this is sine x plus 2 over 3. And then you swing this. And then you get 4 sine x minus 3, and then you get 3 sine x plus 2, and that's your answer.
G, that stands for GCF. S is swing and divide. R, that is reverse FOIL. D, the difference of squares. S, sum or difference of cubes. F, find common denominator. G, group the terms together. And then you go back to GCF.
I can solve these equations with the power of factoring, with cosine, sine, and tangent, and their opposites. I can solve these equations with the power of factoring. Trigonometric equations will be easy. First you'll need to remember the rules of factoring. GCF first, then the others. Difference of squares, grouping difference, and sums of cubes, and reverse FOIL. find a common denominator, create one, two, or more terms. The rules from there are fairly similar to factoring algebraic equations. We can solve these equations with the power of factoring. With cosine, sine, and tangent, and their opposites.